All right, so we are going to be solving the question above. The question says we should calculate the current through branch AB using division rule in the circuit section. AB. All right, so this is the total current that is supplied in the circuit. So let's call it I subscript T, that is the total current, is equals to 10 ampere. All right, and here we are having R1, which is what? Our R1, let's call it 3 ohms, and our R2 is equals to what? 4 ohms. So the current that they want us to calculate is current through is current through AB, that is the second resistor, which is 4 ohms. So it's going to be I2. All right. So how do we calculate I2? I2, we are going to recall from the formula of current division rule. I2, if we are calculating the current for the second resistance, we are going to be using R1. So this is going to be R1 all over what? R1 plus R2, then multiply by the total what? By the total current. All right. So if you substitute, I'm going to have R1. R1 is 3. So it's going to be 3 all over what? 3 plus what? Plus 4. Then multiply by what? The total current, which is what? 10. So if you do this, I'm going to have 10 multiplied by 3 is 30 all over what? 7. And 30 divided by 7, that is 4.28. So we are going to have this to be 4.28 ampere. So the solution to this question is 4.28 ampere. And if you want to calculate the current through 3 ohms, it's going to be what? It's going to be R2 all over R1 plus R2 multiplied by what? The total current. So, and you are going to get your answer. But for this question, I just want us to calculate the current through branch A, B. So stay tuned for more important questions, and don't forget we have a well structured material which we read which was written by we ourselves for your personal consumption. And for this material to get across to you, quickly rush to our description and hit the link to our WhatsApp group, and from there you can send us a direct message and you have the material delivered in your inbox. And if you can also email us, can also send us a direct message on our emails. We are going to receive a quick response. So thank you. And if peradventure today, if you're first time coming across our content, do well to like this content and hit the bell button, so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be the first to receive it. So thank you. Stay tuned. Do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe.